What's up, everyone? Check out these really nice garage wall hooks. They come in a variety of shapes and sizes, and there's even bigger ones that I've already put up here. First off, I love the quality of these wall hooks. It's like one solid piece here. You can see that this back part is soldered to it. It's really secure, and it has these rubber protectors on the bottom, which will do a great job at protecting all your tools from getting scratched up. So these are really easy to install. There's 2 screws that you're going to put in here, and they're really stable. It comes with a bunch of different hardware to meet your needs. That way you can have a nice secure attachment with these wall hooks. They're really nice and sturdy. I love these longer ones too because you can add multiple shovels all on one hook. I like how everything just fits right on there, holds nice and steady. I love the different sizes of these too because you can just use them in a variety of ways. You can hang your hoses up. You can also hang like a different trailer hitch up if you needed to. And also your ladder is just a really easy way to stay organized in your garage. These wall hooks are a great choice. Thanks for watching.